petition is filed. Let the suit is for eviction and require a arrears of rent. And the lease deed came to be executed in 2016. Later on in 2017, I assigned it in favor
Which
of.
is the document not allowed?
Yes, Lord. Kindly see the application.
Page. Serial number 7 ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು?
97, page 97.
Settlement. Building ಖಾತಾ extract, ಖಾತಾ certificate, OC, fire safety ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ BBMP approved plan, occupancy certificate, ಖಾತಾ certificate ಇದ್ರೆ fire safety. Because the lease deed says that if statutory clearances are there, then only.
Who is the owner of the property?
Owner of the property, the plaintiff. He has filed a suit seeking for eviction and as well as recovery of arrears of rent.
You are the defendant.
Yes, I am for the first defendant. Now in the suit, my lord, in the evidence at page 85, he says that I have the documents, I will produce it. Kindly see page 85.
All these documents?
He says approved sanction plan, commencement and completion certificate will be produced. Page 85.
I am there.
About 10 lines from
It
the
is
top.
suggested.
If necessary, the approved sanction plan, commencement and completion certificate issued by this shall be produced by the court. It is
ಅದನ್ನ
our-
ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Lords,
ನೀವೇ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Lords, if necessary, my lords.
Now it is necessary.
It is not so, my lords, in my humble submission. This, my lords, the suit is for, it's a commercial suit, my lords, for eviction and arrears of rent, my lords.
Correct.
The respondent, the first defendant, my lords, this suit has expired, the term has expired as on 2021 itself, my lords. So, my lords, now, in the guise of the cross-examination, firstly, my lords, the respondent has not filed his written statement, my lords. It has been forfeited. In the guise of the cross-examination, my lords, he makes these unnecessary questions, my lords, regarding the title to the property. And, my lords,
No,
these
title,
documents,
occupancy certificate of the BBMP and completion certificate by BBMP ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
my lords, these, at this stage, my lords, when,
Why did you accept that you are going to give?
my lords, if necessary, my lords, it is stated,
ಇದು ಆ
the
ತರ
question,
ನೀವು if necessary ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ necessity ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
there is no necessary, my lords, that is.
That you can't say after saying if necessary.
My submission is this, my lords. For the purpose of deciding the issue, the purpose of the suit itself, my lords, these documents are not necessary.
Now
because
who is the tenant?
that is a defendant number 2, my lords. Defendant number 1 and 2 is my submission, my lords, because
One.
the lease was firstly executed in favor of the defendant number 1. Subsequently, my lords, 1 year after,
ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದು? Occupancy certificate ಇಲ್ವಾ?
my lords, I don't have occupancy certificate with me, my lords.
Then how did you lease it out?
My lords, I have leased it out, my lords. Whatever documents were there, I have produced it. I have handed it over to the defendant number 1 at the time of the lease deed. He's accepted it, and then, my lords, he's taken on lease. And then after 1 year, my lords, he assigns it to the second defendant. They are still in possession. They're running a bar.
Who is the first defendant?
He is the first lessee, my lords.
He's not, you are the second defendant, is it?
Second, I am the first defendant.
Oh, you are the lessee.
I took the property on lease.
ಆಮೇಲೆ sublease ಕೊಟ್ಟ.
Subsequently, I was given it to second defendant. But the lease deed says that if clearances, statutory clearance are not there, then I am not liable to pay the rent.
In fact, my lords, the lease
that
deed also
purpose.
says, my lords, that the lease stands automatically terminated, my lords. May I kindly see.
That
page
is a
53.
matter there, sir.
Illa, Swami.
Now we are only on documents.
My lords,
In your cross examination, you have said you will give it.
my lords, if necessary, my lords, I have stated that these documents.
Now necessity
are there.
necessity is told by the senior
My
counsel.
lords, the necessity, my lords, for the adjudication of the suit, it is not so, my lords, in my respectful submission. Because, my lords, it is a matter simpliciter for eviction, my lords. The defendant number 1, my lords, I just
Eviction,
complete this.
recovery of money.
Yes, my lord. The defendant number 1, first of all, my lords, asks specific questions regarding the liability to pay rents and in yours that the lease having been assigned in favor of the second defendant, there is no liability on the part of the first defendant to pay the rents, my lords. So, in one breath, my lords, he says that the lease stands assigned, and then, my lords, ask questions about the sanction plan,
Why
the
did you
occupancy
answer?
certificate.
Why did you
Look,
answer?
it was asked, the witness has answered, my lords. The necessity for deciding the suit in question, my lords, does not arise at all because the defendant, who doesn't in any way have a defense, he is only stating this, my lords. In the same breath, he is asking
Correct.
contradictory.
In one
submissions.
breath he asks that, in another breath he is asking that.
Please, my lords.
Why you did not hold your breath there?
My lords, I have, my lords. In fact, if the cross-examination is perused, my lords, they kindly see. Yes, sir. He has also stated that he has to verify and submit. Please. Now, my lords, the necessity for all these documents.
OCCC ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ, ಕೊಡಿ.
My lords, I
ಬೇರೆ
have
ಎಲ್ಲ
filed-
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲಿವ್
I
ಇಟ್.
have, in fact, my lords, I have.
ಆಲ್
filed
ಅದರ್
specifically-
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್, ಫೈರ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ.
My lords,
OCCC.
I have filed, may I just produce my written submissions, my lords, where I have categorically stated that these documents are not with me, my lords, in my possession. That I have stated, my lords.
Why did you say this, sir? Written submission li ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. While deposing in cross examination, why did you say I have it, if necessary I will produce it?
My lords, the reason is this, my lords. These documents, the sanction plan,
You should never get caught in cross
No,
examination.
no.
That's the whole problem.
the issue is this, my lords. The question is asked to me about these documents. I have given these documents to the defendant at the time of the lease deed, my lords. Otherwise, there's no cause for him to enter into the
That
lease
is
deed.
not your answer.
Fair enough, my lords. The fact remains so that because if they are relying on the lease deed, my lords, if I may submit, if they are relying on the lease deed which is already expired, my lords, by effects of time, then, my lords, there are also specific clauses stating that if there is no license given to operate the premises, then the lease stands automatically terminated. So, my lords, essentially what the defendant is asking is for specific performance of a lease of a document that is already expired, my lords, wherein that particular document is not even relevant to decide the suit. In fact, that is,
That's according to you.
my lords, that is also, my lords,
According to them,
I
that-
will just rely on the document.
Because the senior counsel just now said, if there are no statutory clearances, he would not become liable to pay the amount that you are demanding.
In my respectful submission, my lords, that is a matter that they ought to have taken in defense. They have not filed the written statement, my lords, beyond 120 days.
Sir, not filing of written statement does not preclude them from cross examination.
They have-
They have elicited something in cross examination. The elicitation has caught you now.
My lords, the relevance of it, in fact, that is the language of Order 11, Rule 14, my lords.
No problem, sir.
So, my lords, it is not that the
The
party.
cross examination does not, right to cross examine does not go away, and cross examination, what
saying
is
that.
elicited cannot be washed
No, my
away.
lords, I'm not. In fact, the language of Order 11, Rule 14, if
Oh,
it is
please,
seen,
sir. Yes,
please,
sir.
my lords. Production of documents.
Hmm.
It shall be lawful for the court at any time during the pendency of any suit to order the production by any party thereto upon oath of such of the document in his possession or power relating to any matter in question in the suit, as the court shall think right. And the court may deal with such documents. In fact, my lord, the court has exercised its discretion. That is also seen from the impugned order, my lord.
Exercise discretion
Please, my
and permitted 7.
Yes, my lord.
We will permit OC and CC now.
No, my lord, the relevance also has to be looked at, my lords, of these documents. In the
Relevance
state-
is just now said.
But it is not justified, my lord. The relevance is,
That is before the court will come.
Oh,
Sir.
the
mere-
relevance to
one minute.
produce-
Mere production of a document will not be all and end all of the suit. It will have to be tried.
But I
It will have to
quite
be
see, my
tried. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ?
ಅದ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
That, it is not there, my lord. I have stated that. I have stated that before the
I
court.
will record it.
Please.
And whatever inference that can be drawn by the
Please.
court will be
That's
drawn.
all I'm stating, my lord.
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ರೆಂಟ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಬಂದೆ.
Written arguments ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ,
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
trial
I'll produce
court
it also, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
Please, my lord.
ಸೊ ಆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ.
ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹ, ಹ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, this serial number 1 to 6 is what we have sought.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು OCCC ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೆಸರಿ
ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನಾರು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ OCCC ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಪ್ಲಾನ್
ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sanction plan ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಈಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
My lord, it's not in my possession, my lord. That is what I have stated.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ?
I don't have it, my lord. I have also searched. I have whatever I have searched, my lord. It is a property that was constructed nearly 20 years ago, my lord. It is not there.
ಯಾಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಲ್ವಾ?
It is not, my lord. That's all I'm stating, my lord.
ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Sanction plan OC and CC is not there, my lord. You will have to be recorded.
SP OCCC ಮೂರು ಇಲ್ಲ. All inferences can be drawn by the court because of
The court, in fact, my lord, makes that analyzes that, my lord, on the question of relevancy, my lord. That is evident from the impugned order itself. Whether it is
will
necessary.
answer. Relevancy, the senior counsel says that if statutory clearances like this are not available, his payment of rent becomes a doubt.
Because that in any way, the submission is that because the lease stands assigned in favor of the defendant number 2, he is not liable to pay rents.
Ad
So it
bidu-
is both. It is both, my lords.
One more submission madli bidi.
One more ground to my lords not to submit, although they do state in the petition that they are in possession, my lords. So they have stated everything, my
Ashte.
lords, altogether.
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ
submission, I can file it also. my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಲೂ ಲಾಯರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್.
Oh, ಹಾಗೆ, yes. We'll close it then. Yes,
Please.
Prasanna.
Please.
The petitioner, the first defendant, is before this court calling in question an order dated to June the 2nd, 2025, passed in commercial OS 418 of 2024, answering an application filed under Order 11 Rule 14 of the CPC, seeking production of certain documents. The,
My written submission is before, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
ಹಾಕಿದೆ sir.
Yes, the learned, heard, the suit is for recovery of money and delivery of vacant possession of the property. The petitioner is said to be the lessee from the hands of the respondent plaintiff. After the lease deed executed in favor of the present petitioner, it transpires as the present petitioner, defendant number 1, has executed a sublease with defendant number 2. The issue in the list is with not with regard to the rights of the lessee or the respondent. An application is filed before the concerned court by the first defendant, the petitioner, seeking production of documents as described in the application. The documents that the petitioner sought to produce from the respondent are as follows. Page 97, madam. Mark portion.
My lords, may I make one submission, my lords? These documents, but just to, they have never asked it before, my lords. Only in the cross examination, this is
ಅದು
specified.
ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ.
Before that also, they have not asked, my lords, in any communication. at all.
A defendant can first project his defense in written statement. ಆಮೇಲೆ through this, ಈ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಬಾರ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
Only through this.
Yes, my lords.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Stating even before the written statement, in any communication, they have not asked for it, my lords.
Before written, communication,
Any
before
communication,
this suit.
they have never, yes, my lords, they have never. They are in
Will-
default
will
of payment
record,
of rents
yes.
for the last
So
5
and
years.
so. The learned senior counsel, Shri Ashok Harnalli, submits that the concerned court has erred in allowing an application at serial number 7 while declining all other 6 applications quoted supra. The learned senior counsel would further emphasize on the fact that the sanctioned plan, occupancy certificate and ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು?
ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಸರ್.
And completion ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಖಾತಾ
The
ಆಕ್ಯುಪೆನ್ಸಿ.
the building khata extract, the approved sanction plan and occupancy certificate were imperative to be produced to determine the liability of payment of rent at the hands of the petitioner to the respondent.
As per the lease, terms of the lease.
As in terms of the lease deed appended to the petition entered into on 16th April 2nd April 2016. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent, the learned senior counsel takes this court through the cross-examination of the respondent. The cross-examination reads as follows. The relevant portion of the cross-examination reads as follows, page 83, 84. In the cross-examination, the respondent PW1 has admitted the fact that the completion certificate, sanction plan, occupancy certificate are all available and would be given at the appropriate time if need arises. The learned counsel for the respondent now lays emphasis on the fact that those are not necessary documents.
Also, case law. in support of-
Not necessary documents, and would seek to place reliance upon certain, reliance upon the judgments. ಯಾವ citations? Certain judgments of which court?
Bombay High Court.
Judgments of other high courts to contend that documents that are necessary alone should be directed to be produced. The cross-examination of the petition of the PW1, the respondent, is as quoted herein above. If it is his case that those documents were available and those documents were necessary to determine the amount of rent that is payable, they become on the face of it necessary documents which are germane for consideration of the issue in the list before the concerned court. The learned counsel for the respondent now submits that he